Oh, I can't handle being in that house no longer. I gotta get back in the shack.
I'm Rick, and this
Shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. Build up for your sanity.
this is the shack.
Hey everybody, welcome. If you're new to the channel or if this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for taking some of your time out to view. Always ask that you would consider subscribing, and if you do, ring the ding that bell down there so you are notified when these videos do come out. Give it a thumbs up, like it, and share it. It definitely helps the channel. Oh, enough is enough is enough, man. I can't handle being in the house any longer. My last video, I said I'd be the next 3-4 days listing items on eBay, marketplace, wherever. I got a bunch of stuff I got to start selling. Yeah, I can't do it. I can't be in the house for the next 3-4 days, sitting on that computer, listening to all this stuff. But it's very daunting and it's very time consuming for me. I have to look up what it is. A lot of these parts no longer available. Quick example, I had a plastic bracket for license. It's that plastic molded piece that the license fits on, that item fits to your bumper. Fortunately, it was in a package and it still had the number. It was from a Dodge. After about 6 different numbers that was on this sticker on this item, I found out the correct part number, and it was a license plate bracket for a Crossfire. My father did have a Crossfire. So that's been sitting in that box for 10 years. Well, they're no longer available. Put it online, boom, it sold immediately, which is good. I'm not looking to retire off one item. If I can sell it for a few bucks, I'm happy. I just got to get rid of it and hopefully it blesses somebody else. But it took about 40 minutes going through these different numbers, trying to figure out, well, try this number, try that number, finally figured out what it was. Seeing what the aftermarket pieces are selling for, getting a fair price for this, putting it online. You're looking at a half hour for one item. I guess eBay, you can sell one like it, and it's kind of like, it's somewhat pre-described or whatever. I don't. I started from scratch every single one because there are certain options that I want. In one day, or actually a day and a half, I got 20 items up. I'm sitting there looking at this monitor, typing. I'm getting a headache, I'm getting blurred vision. It's like, you know, I'm done. I can't sit here all day, and I can't stay here for the next 2 days because I literally, and what I had in those totes that I took to the house, I probably have over 100 items between a lot of emblems for cars, 289, 351 fender emblems for Ford cars. I got Chevy items. I have a 250 truck. I think it's the Truck Ranger, the 250 emblem that goes on the side. I have vintage car parts. So I've decided I am going to pick 5 items, list them first thing in the morning, then I'm out to the shack. I can't sit there all day and do that. That drives me absolutely insane. I gotta get out here and get my sanity back. Now, all these stuff that I cleaned through all the stuff over here, boxes are stacked and thrown over here, so I got to break all the boxes down. If you see down here, those are boxes that I broke down and already start to stack. All that behind it are all the boxes that I've thrown over there, cleaning out everything through the shop. If you see the trunk back there, you might see some car parts on top. All that back there, the whole thing is all my father's stuff. Car parts, shop manuals, car repair manuals, so much stuff. There are probably 1,000 things, individual items through all that, if not more, that it just takes so much time to go through. But I am going to organize that, get all the boxes and manuals in one area, get the car parts in another, and again, I'm going to just take a couple of each every day, list it, and that's my goal for now on. I got to get rid of it. But I can clean up all this, break all these boxes down, get them in the trash. I have my bandsaw over here. I will roll, actually kind of right here a little bit. I'm going to roll that over by the table saw that gets out of here. I have my grandmother's little scooter, and this is a cheap little plug, but anybody, seriously, this thing is like brand new. It's dusty right now. I will put in new batteries But if anybody needs a mobility scooter or something like this, contact me, instant message me. I will sell this at a good price. It even has a cover that goes with it, but the batteries just don't hold charge anymore, so I have to put it out of the way. But I will put new batteries in. If somebody is seriously wanting to buy this for a family member or something, I will make you a good deal on it. So that's my challenge today, to get this cleaned up and start going through that and separating what I need to separate. So let's just get cracking. No more yakking. Well, another section done. All those boxes are gone through, thrown out. Some of the small ones I kept, and some of them I broke down, stacked there, because I am doing an awful lot of listings, so that I keep the boxes for shipping. But all this has been cleaned. All the wood I had stacked here is gone. So what I think I'm going to do, because I go nuts sitting on the computer trying to list all the time, I am going to take 4 items every morning. I'll list them. Then I'm out here, because this is where I got to keep my sanity. I go nuts sitting in the house. So that's the routine I'm going to do now. Tomorrow, this will come out Monday. So Monday I'll be back out here after I list a few things. And I will start going through that back section right there. And that is car parts, manuals, and whatever else. So I'm going to stack them accordingly, so I know when I get those totes and everything done in the house, when I come out here, I'm going to grab a couple of each, a couple of manuals, a couple of parts, whatever, and I'm going to list them. I'm already put a bunch of stuff, old Falcon parts, Cadillac parts on the marketplace. I'm going to also add them on eBay. So that's going to be huge for the next couple of months. That's what's going to be taking place. A lot of this is hopefully going to be sold. But day by day, I'm making progress, and that's it. So I'm hoping after next week, everything will be stacked, situated, tagged, marked, boxed, whatever. So I'll have my shop back. Right now I have piles here and there, but at least I know what's what. So as I find more, I put it over there, so I keep it all together. That's going to be it for this video. I wasn't planning on putting out any, but I can't just sit in the house for 4 days and list. So I think next week I will put out a project. I have customers bugging me already to do work, but I'm trying to get this done. This is my priority. I hate putting them off, because I definitely could use a little extra money right now, but I got to get this done. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back check for your sanity. Don't go stir crazy in there. Get out in the shop, in your garage, in your shed, in your storage, whatever, and relax a little bit. A couple more weeks, we're going to be out of the woods. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next video.